Ndichikutambira zvekare pano padzerari 263 pano pandokuzivisai manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Kana uchiri munyowani pathis YouTube channel, kusubscribe mahara utena on the notification bell so that pandinoramba ndichidzoka neamwe manews updates uchingozvionera. Panapo uchangochiwana manews updates ezvinhu zviri kuitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe. Saka ndikuti subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Vadikani, nyaya iri kupisa mastreets esocial media inyaya yaprofeti weuta Magaya. Profeti weuta Magaya vakabuda mastreets esocial media vachitengesa mafruits pakati peusiku, but mbudiro zvakaita zvainzi ndezvemunamato. Vaitengesa maapples manheru, vapatanga kutrenda mapictures zvichinzi munhu waMwari ari kutsanya nemaapples pakati peusiku manheru, anga ari mumacardbox akawanda. Zvisinei, apostle Chiwenga vabuda mastreets esocial media vachitaura pfungwa idzo dzekuti prophet weuta Magaya varikupenga. Vadika ndokumboromuta zvaunofunga comment section. Ndakuisira iri video. Wapedza kuona video to zvaunofunga comment section kuti boy here yataurwa naApostle Chiwenga unoenda kuside rani ra prophet Magaya here kuti ndezvaMwari. Hanzi kana zvizvi zvaMwari maapples aya vakamatenga chimbomachengetai mumba muone kuti haori here, asi munenge muchitotambisa time. Hanzi dai mamadya zvimwe mungawedzere utano muviri. Vadika ndakusiya muchiona video. Wapedza kuona video to zvaunofunga comment section inside rari ndafunga kusitiza itosangana zvekare mungo. Much love.
To pray for the people who are following Magaya. Hell has no fury. Today Magaya was selling apples for $5 each. Instead of praying for the people, Magaya was praying for apples the whole night. I told you so many months ago that Magaya is a psychopath. He has a mental problem. If you look at him on that picture, you can tell that one of his relays blew up a long time ago. All we can say to those who follow Magaya is that we are praying for you. One day the Lord will visit you and this psychosis will go away from you. Those who bought apples from Magaya, we urge you to eat them before they rot. Apples are food at best. There's nothing spiritual about these apples. Magaya counted these apples, multiplied them by $5, and he's going to buy an asset. Tomorrow on Monday, Magaya will be buying another piece of land, and he's going to put it in his family. One day, Magaya's children shall speak before you and say, my father was very organized, he prepared a good future for us. In the meantime, you are going to forget that you gave Magaya money out of your own idiocy and foolishness. Magaya was initiated by T.B. Joshua. And you must understand that there are charms in the West Africa region where these guys get a charm which they are going to spray or sprinkle around their church building. And that charm is such that anyone who attends his church, as long and as soon as you touch the ground, the charm freezes your brain. They get a charm so that you agree with everything they say without applying your brains to it. This is why you see, despite all this nonsense, Magaya continues to fill his auditoriums with the people. The people you see in Magaya's church are victims of Magaya's sorcery. Their minds are no longer thinking straight. Kureva tengeserwa ma-apple na Magaya. Idyai ma-apple aya asati aora. Zvingangowedzera utano hwenyu. Hapana chemweya pama-apple aMagaya. Magaya da kutobatsirwa atsvagirwe chiremba. Magaya can come to me I can rescue him from the demons persecuting him, which he got from Nigeria. Magaya needs deliverance. He has demons. And I'm offering Magaya, come and I will deliver you. There are so many things that Magaya do because of his rituals in Nigeria. I just spelled a few of them. If anyone talks to Magaya, tell him that Chiwenga can deliver you. Uya kuno tikubatsire. Tikakubatsira madhimoni ari kukushungurudza anokusiya. Uye pfungwa dzako dzinobva dzadzoka. Tikatombatsira Magaya, fesi yake inotozoita serious, inoita sense yemunhu chaiye chaiye. Kureya kwayakaita uko kunopera. So we hope kuti vanhu vachadya maapple asati aora. Anoora. Kada kunoti maapple aya haana simba raMwari, ingoaisa mukabati woona kuti haoreri. Kuora is the simple test of spiritual power.
Yeah.
Once these apples rot, there's no power in them. You can prove that there's no power. Just put them in the cupboard, visit them after 7 days. They'll be black. All right, but we thank God for the teaching of tonight. Such teachings are to be received with joy. Thank God for this blessing. And do not forget to give your offering. We are going to have outreach programs in South Africa in the month of July.